Hello again, and welcome to another video. And today we're looking at this lovely little Fiat 500 convertible finished in the black. It's quite a rare colour for these. All nice tidy bodywork, nice alloys, some new tyres on it as well, new exhaust, beautiful red leather interior. That's an option on these. Makes for a stunning looking car. It's also got the book pack with it, service history all there. It's got rear parking sensors, which is another option. So it's got new exhaust, if you can see that there. Just been MOT'd. Space saver spare wheel, jack toolkit all there. Obviously a bit limited on the boot space because it's a convertible model. Lovely tidy bodywork. Look inside. Got controls there for electric door mirrors, 2 keys, got the 500 mats, so if you can see the roof there, it's obviously with the roof open. So a lovely car for a summer's afternoon drive. 64,000 miles. Full service history with that.
I'll join you on stage sometime soon.
Radio CD. Air conditioning, that's all working. 5-speed manual gearbox. Conventional handbrake, auxiliary and USB socket there, and 12-volt power socket as well. That's all there. Controls for electric windows. That's there and there. And then you can control the radio and from there, and the vehicle menu and Bluetooth controls there as well. So I'm guessing you can connect your phone to it. I would guess. Let's just see how you do that. So yeah, I think that's control from there somewhere. Got vehicle menu controls here as well. So there you go, lovely little car. Nice and easy to drive. Oh, let's just show you the roof action actually. It's low road tax as well. Roof's controlled from these buttons here, so to shut the roof, let's open the roof, fully open. That goes all the way down like that. Let's just take a look outside at that. So yeah, with the roof completely down. And then to shut the roof, so there's 2 buttons under there. So you can just shut it part of the way. And then shut it all the way. Just to get back in the car and do that. shut it all the way, kick finger of the button, and that's all shut nice and snug. So let's just take another look at that. So there you go, all nice and snug with the roof back up. Let's say nice and easy to drive and park, low insurance, low road tax. So there you go. If you're interested, give me a shout on the usual number or drop me an email. And thanks again for watching.